So we went ahead and got that mid bumper delete, and that's going to give us a little bit louder sound. So we're going to go ahead and get on it and let y'all hear what it's working with. What's the deal? It's Randall from Out Effects. It's been a minute. You know, we've been working on getting these cars ready for these car shows, so I've been slacking on YouTube, but we have a little bit of free time due to what's going on in the world, so I'm gonna go on and get back on it. My man Miracle Whip, YouTubing on the budget, he just got a Scat Pack Widebody 2020 Charger, so we're gonna do a quick review, show you guys what he's working with, and we'll see if it's worth copping, or we'll see if it's worth sleeping on, so y'all stay tuned. Rob, let them know what it is.
What's up, guys? My name is YouTube on the budget, Robert. If you don't know, Miracle Whip 392 now. A lot of people are probably wondering why I left the V6 community for a 392. A lot of people saying I'm going to be a trader probably, but at the end of the day, I got to do what's best for me and what's best for my family, and a 392 is what's best for us. The wide body is honestly on another type of level. I had the options of getting a 19 or 18, but I just bought the bullet and just got a freaking 2020, baby.
Hey, that's the best. So we won't talk your ear off. Let's go and get to this car. We'll be right back. The first difference from the 2020 over 2019, the 2020 is going to have a smaller grille, and you'll see this scoop right here that's going to mirror the grille that you see on the on the Durangos and on the SRT Jeep Grand Cherokees. And so definitely gives you more of an aggressive look with that white and black. It gives you more contrast, and it makes that bottom grille look even more bigger and menacing. So also, if you look real quick right here, you'll see that you do not have any fog lights, and so this is a piece of plastic. And so other than that, we'll walk around the rest of the car. Of course, it's a wide body, so here you have your bumper. And so the difference between this and an aftermarket wide body kit is that this part of the wide body flare is actually molded to the bumper, so it's part of the car. So when you're going 150, however fast you plan on going, this flare is not going to fly off like an aftermarket kit would. And then you also have your fender flares, which are attached to the fenders, but they actually have slots in here, and I'm pretty sure we can't see them, but you have slots in here where this fender locks in, and so fender flare locks into the fender, it's not going nowhere. And then also the side skirts, real quick, you see your side skirts has a little dip right here, so it kind of makes the car all fit together as if it's supposed to come like that, which it is. Same thing with the rear of the car. The side skirts are a little bit different, and your back bumper also has the fender flares molded in. Excuse the car being a little bit dirty, he did just buy it, but I'm sure he'll get it cleaned up here pretty soon. Trunk's pretty much the same. You know, I looked at a couple of them, they're pretty much no different. Actually, the diffuser is different on these, and so I got a call from a guy earlier. He's looking to put an aftermarket diffuser on here. This diffuser is different. We have yet to try some of the current options, but I'm sure there's going to be some aftermarket options coming soon for these. But the diffuser definitely is different than some of the earlier models. And then you have this scoop area on the side of the bumper. The vent is actually larger and more aggressive as well. So if you were to put some lights behind this grille, for example, it'll give you a nice area to get illuminated. Here are the wheels. These are 20 by 11 wheels in the gray color. You know, side markers are pretty much as normal. Upgrade is going to be LED side markers with there. And we'll just check the interior out real quick. And so you can see my man already got it tinted up. You know, it's pretty much mandatory in Houston. You know, it gets hot down here. With the Scat Packs, he did get, and he's claiming he got one of the cheapest Scat Packs, wide body Scat Packs on the gram. And so what that means is that he doesn't have a sunroof up top, and he does not have the leather seats or the two-tone material seats. And so cloth material, but I'm sure, you know, we customize these cars, so I'm sure pretty soon he'll address that as well as he did with his other vehicle. And then last but not least, if you look at the brakes, he has the 6-piston Brembos, the same ones you'll find on the Hellcats, and he also has that 2-piece rotor as well. So this one has a little bit more stopping power than your standard off-the-shelf Scat Pack, and of course he has that 392 engine under the hood as well. And so we'll just peek under the hood real quick. I'm sure the engine doesn't have any real material differences. Like I said, he just got it tinted. But let's check under the hood real quick. Everything's pretty much the same. You got your fuse box, you know, your wiper fluid, ABS, you know, your engine covers. Nothing's different under the hood. except it looks real clean. You know, you can see all the metal, no rust, no dirt or anything like that. And coolant tank looks nice and clear as well. And so yeah, definitely a good option. So if you've been keeping your eye out for one of these, it is in my opinion going to be a good buy, only if you get a good deal. You know, don't pay over sticker price, especially with what's going on out here in the world. You know, if the time is right for you, go ahead and do it, invest in yourself, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up and we'll take it for a quick drive, and then we'll see y'all here soon. Alright, so I'm gonna take the Widebody Scat Pack for a spin real quick. This is my first time driving the Widebody, so we'll see if it's any different than a normal Scat Pack. So let's do it. So with the interior, one of the first things you notice is that the radio bezel is actually different in these than the older ones. You know, it's a darker gray color, and it doesn't have those honeycombs in there. It's more of a smoother finish on here. So that is a nice little touch, because a lot of people end up customizing their bezels and you know, just want something different. So already when you get in the car, you know it's something different. You know, as far as the steering feels the same. Yeah, so one difference I'll tell you that I feel right now, just from that quick little acceleration, is that on a regular Scat Pack, with those factory tires that come on it, the rear end will get loose like nothing. And so when I just hit it right now, the rear end of the car felt solid, like it didn't move. I didn't have any negative effects of doing what I just did. And so you definitely can tell it's a wide body as far as the wheels and the width in the back. So that's a good thing for sure. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. So I won't talk you guys' ears off. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of my little drive. You know, hopefully it don't make me want to get one, but you know, if anyone's thinking about doing it, take that leap of faith, make it happen, and you won't regret it. All right, once again, thank y'all for watching. Like I say, it was just a quick little video on the 2020 Widebody Scat Pack Charger. We definitely have more to come with this one, so make sure you subscribe to the Mod FX channel. You know, if you feel like hanging around, subscribe to my channel as well. Subscribe to my man Rob's channel. He has a lot planned for this vehicle, so don't sleep on it. Miracle Whip, like I said, you go to YouTube and on the budget, I'll put it down below. And we'll see y'all on the next one. Hey, peace.